Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free of cost 3D animation creating software for Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as Blender, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now you will see its official website, and here you can see a download Blender. Just click on it. Now you will see a download option for your respective Windows or Mac or Linux operating system. So right now it has been detected I am using a Windows computer. So you can see below there are tons more options. If you want to download a portable one also, it's available for Windows, and you can see below it's available for Mac, even for Linux, even for Steam also it's available. So if you face any problem while installing this latest version, then you can get the older version also just by clicking on here. That is a previous version. You can just go to it if you are having issues or installation problems. As it has been mentioned here, you can see here, if your older computer does not support some hardwares or the features, then you can choose the older version. And if you want more older than this Blender 2.7, still you can get it by going to this option, download every version of Blender. If you click on it, you can see all the versions of Blender that you can choose. Say, let me give you just an example. Say if you want to download, say, this Blender 2.60 version, just click on it. I will see a tons of version. If you need it for Windows, then you can download this Windows. If you need for Linux, then you can see Linux, and if you need for Mac computers, then you can see here OS X, you can download these files. So I've already downloaded this software, so I'm not going to download it again. So you firstly download this software on your respective computer, and after that just double left click on the software installer. Now click on next to proceed with the installation. Click on I accept, click on next, click on next, click on install. Wait for a few seconds. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish, and now you can see a shortcut of the software has been created on your respective desktop. So just double left click on it to run this software. So it's showing something, your graphics card has a limited support. So if you face any issues, I already mentioned you can get the older version. So I can at least continue anyway, so I will just click on continue anyway. And if you face anything that it's unable to run, then just kindly get the older or the previous versions which I have shown you in the earlier part of this video. So let me click on continue anyway. So once it gets open, you can see some kind of instruction, right? So you can select different languages, you can select the shortcuts for Blenders and different options like you can see here, and you can select with left and right, spacebar. There are some welcome instructions. You can select the themes here, whichever you like. So I'll just keep it as it is and click on next. So just left click on the blank area, and now you will see the diagram, right? So in order to zoom this structure, just move your wheel mouse up or downward directions to zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to move it to the right and left direction, you can see here below, you can see here on the left side some indication like cursor move. So you can select this move option. Now you will see here X, Y and Z axis. So if you want to move it towards this right direction, right and left, then you can just drag this, as you can see here. And if you want to move it on the up and down directions, then you can just select this blue and you can just drag it here. So if you want to add more structures here, then you can see here on the above add, just click on it and say let me select some structures. So let me select a cylinder. So you can see a cylinder, right? So let me try to move it. So you can place it like this, and now if you want to rotate it, then you can see here on the left side rotate option, right? Just click on it and just select the diagram. Now you can see this kind of marking, right? So now if you select the screen and just drag it, so you can see here, you can rotate it. And if you rotate on the red marking also, you can see here, you can rotate it. And if you select the blue marking, as you can see, you can rotate it. And if you want to undo it again or make some corrections, then you can just move back. You can just click on this edit and just click on undo if you want to restore it back to the default one. So once your designing is done, you can just click on this file and you can export it on different options. As you can see here, it supports different extensions like webfront, X3D extendable. As you can see here, tons of files, even as crisp pencil as PDF also it supports. So you can export into different formats also, as you can see here, FBX also. So in my opinion, it's a very professional looking 3D animation creating software. You should definitely check this cool software. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.